Meaning of Huey Long.
Huey Long.
Huey Long.
Huey Long.
Huey Long. Huey Long was an American politician who served as the governor of Louisiana from 1928 to 1932 and as a United States Senator from 1932 until his assassination in 1935. He was known for his populist views and his Share Our Wealth program, which aimed to redistribute wealth from the rich to the poor. Long was a controversial figure and his methods were often criticized, but he remains a prominent figure in Louisiana politics and a symbol of the populist movement in America.